In this video, we will show you how to create a new pop-up banner in our Meiro CDP. To get started, go to the channel's Web Pop-up Banners tab. To create a new banner, simply click on the Create Pop-up Web Banners button. If you're editing an existing one, just click on the Edit button next to the banner you want to modify. Now give your banner a name and add the conditions for your web banner to display and select the operators you want to use. You need also to choose how often the web banner should be displayed and set its priority. Next, select the condition for the banner to display, such as on page load, scroll, or exit. You can insert your own HTML or image link, or use our template gallery with pre-designed HTML code. Select the position of your banner and its width. Preview your web banner to make sure it looks the way you want it to. Finally, activate the banner if you want it to display after saving, and don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Your banner is now ready to be displayed.